My name is Rahul Ulkar. I'm been working as a senior architect in Hirux Systems. So today we are here at ExcelR Systems for the placement drive, and I really appreciate the placement services that I mean the team that I actually met. We really got a good service and hospital service actually. They the way they actually welcome is really fantastic, and I love this is actually my one of the best experience that I have ever. And yeah, and about the student quality, today actually we had a interviews with almost like 25 to 30 students, but the candidates are really good. I mean, with respect to knowledge, with respect to communication, I mean, they are much more familiar about the technologies. Most of the interviews we had in Java, and the students are really fantastic. Thank you.
I'm Hariprasad Bugate. So today we have come here on the behalf of Hirux Systems, and so we are conducting a drive at ExcelR. The students here, they are also, we found them very confident. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayuri Pimple. I have completed my full stack development course from the ExcelR EdTech Private Limited. The ExcelR is doing the fantastic job. The ExcelR placement team is doing the excellent work, and they are also providing the SDP session that boost our confidence at the next level. I would like to thank the whole training and placement team of the ExcelR for arranging the drive at the ExcelR Pune office. Thank you.
The training provided by the ExcelR was very fantastic. The placement was provided are also good. There are the various SDP sessions was conducted at ExcelR office so that student can enhance their skill and knowledge and crack the interview and boost our knowledge to the next level.
The training provided by ExcelR is flawless. They provide good placement support. They doing STP sessions regularly to boost our confidence to the next level. I would like to thank whole ExcelR team to arrange the campus drive at Pune office.